Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I go about applying a hot oil treatment to my locks. As you can see, my locks, they look pretty decent, but I can tell that they're drier than usual. This is due to the weather change. You might be wondering, why should you use a hot oil treatment? Well, some people use it in place of a conditioner. If you don't want to use conditioner in your locks, it gives your hair moisture, and it has an added benefit that it's 100% natural. So we'll dive into the ingredients that we're going to be using. Peppermint oil is going to be included, which stimulates hair growth and blood flow. Olive oil is our carrier oil. Then I'm using the FAIDA Naturals oil, link below to this particular product because it has a mixture of various different oils. So I start off by finding an empty container and I fill it up with the different oils. I honestly don't measure. I just go with whatever I feel like. If you're looking for reference, this is a 4-ounce bottle. I put roughly about maybe 8 to 10 drops of peppermint oil. The FAIDA Naturals, I put about maybe 1/8 of the 4-ounce bottle. So I just really go with what my liking is. Then you want to shake it up just to make sure that the oils are mixed up well. Next, we're going to heat up the oil using the double boiler method. I just put some hot water in a cup and put the oil in there, let it sit before I wash my hair. Then as it sat down, I was washing my hair as the oil heated up. Now I'm going to show you how to thoroughly wash your hair. It's taken me a while to figure this out, to learn how to do it, but it's really key. You don't want to be adding product on top of product, meaning that your hair is not fully clean and then you are adding product on top of it. So what I've learned over time is, number one, you want to use the pads of your fingers when you're scrubbing your scalp. You don't want to snag any hair or cause any damage. Then you really want to make sure that you are paying attention to your scalp. I've said this in a video before, but this is key. I spent a lot of time scrubbing my scalp to make sure that, number one, I'm getting any product out. I really only use oils in my hair, but this time particularly, if you watched my earlier video as part of the Vlogmas series, I had put Eco Styler gel in my hair along the edges, so I wanted to make sure it was completely out. Then the ends of your hair. You want to make sure that you're washing the ends of your hair. As my hair locks grow and as they mature more, they're becoming a little bit more heavier and they're holding on to product and water a little bit more than they did before. So I try to make sure that I wash it thoroughly. Now my wash routine consists of me going through my hair maybe 2 or 3 times. Hair dries pretty fast, so afterwards this is my hair towel dried. Then you want to get your oil and you start pouring away. Now you can do your hair in sections or you can do it all at once. I like to start with the front because then this ends up being like a mini massage for me. And you all should really try this. Peppermint oil in heated oil. Peppermint oil that's heated. I guess that's what I want to say. Peppermint oil that's heated feels so nice. This is nice for maybe a Sunday evening routine or when you want a self-care day. I find this to be very therapeutic. So as you can see, I'm really massaging it into the edges of my hair. We all know that I'm growing these edges back and they are growing back in Jesus' name. So then after I'm done with my edges and my scalp, I move on to the ends of my hair. And this will help me not have that dry, crusty look that I feel like I had before. So I go ahead and really take my time with massaging the oils into my hair. Now, if you want, you can cover your hair with a shower cap. You don't have to wash the oil out, and that can give it an added benefit. However, I just put it in, and because I had to leave the house, I just let it sit in my hair the rest of the day. But on days when I have more time, I do like to cover it up and have things kind of absorb into my hair with whether it's a shower cap or something. So this is the end of the tutorial. Hopefully it was beneficial. We'll see you in the next video.